Welcome back to the channel. We have a question on simple interest. I'll be glad you pause the video, take a look at this question, then come back and see my detailed solution. That said, let's get into class. Now, our question says a man invested 20,000 naira in Bank A and 25,000 naira in Bank B at the beginning of a year. Bank A pays an interest of Y% and Bank B pays 1.5%. If its total interest at the end of the year is 4,600, what is the value of Y? Now, let's take it one after the other. We'll see his investment in Bank A first. Now, in Bank A, he has a principal of 20,000 naira. And we know that interest is the simple interest is the same thing as principal times time times rate. So that I now will be the same thing as 20,000 times time of 1 year times the rate of Y%. That's Y over 100. 100 here is 1. 100 in 20,000, I'll be left with 200. That's the same thing as 200Y. Now let's see the performance in Bank B. Bank B. So that the principal in Bank B also is the same thing as 25,000. And also I is also P times T times R. So that I once again will be 25,000 times, this time around the interest, the rate is 1.5 Y over 100 times time is still 1 year. So that I once again will be the same thing as 100 here is 1. 100 cancels this, we're left with 250. Then we'll have 250 times 1.5 Y. Let's use my calculator. That's 250 times 1.5. That equals 375. That's 375Y. 375Y. Now we're told that the total interest N is the same thing as 4,600. So that my total interest now will be the same thing as 375Y plus 200Y is equals to 4,600. 375 plus 200, that's the same thing as 575Y will be equals to 4,600. Now, Y obviously will be the same thing as 4,600 divided by 575. Y will be the same thing as, let's use my calculator. That will be 46 divided by 575. That's equals to 8. So that's Y obviously is the same thing as 8. I hope you understand I went through this. In case you have gray areas, please do not hesitate to use the comment section. We'll be there to respond to you. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.